Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob Ïing jongpi.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrat ki sama ong bak Sorkar kala Pynkhreh bha ban Jubab yek jingli bat ki mat yakren ki bagi MLA kinwan ra ha ke Dorbar senrai ke bansa sedang no shan ha khendai terek unai lur arajar arfuar. Konrat ong baki la ban mi bon teli ki mat yakren ha ke ni ke Dorbar ke bak haddo jong ke samai terekam ke sansnem jong ke Sorkar.
Yeah, coming to the session now, 7 days. Of course, this is the right forum for elected members to raise their concerns about issues that are important to the people and issues that are important to the constituency. So obviously it's something that is a very essence of democracy, and hence it's something that I, of course, as an elected representative and also as the Chief Minister of the state, I look forward to these sessions, because it's a point in time where we are really able to express and show and communicate to the people the different works that have been done in some way, also to clarify regarding a lot of confusion or misconceptions that could be there in the public domain, and at the same time for the opposition to ask important questions and to clarify on them. So it's a very important exercise, and from the government side, of course, we are ensuring that we are able to reply to all the concerns of the honorable members that will be raised to their level of satisfaction, and we are preparing for it, and of course we know the major concerns that are there and the different questions that have been raised and resolutions and motions. So as always, we will try our best to ensure that we're able to give the necessary clarifications. It's not just for the members, but for the people of our state in general.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.